Bordering the mighty Sahara Desert, the Sahel region stretches like a fragile ribbon of land across the heart of Africa, separating the dry desert in the north from the lush savannas in the south. It runs through countries like Senegal, Mali, Niger, Chad, and Sudan, forming a zone that has become one of the most climate-stressed regions on Earth. But what makes Sahel truly alarming today is how quickly it's transforming from a land that once sustained life to one that now seems to push it away. Just a few decades ago, the Sahel was far from being called dangerous. Its people thrived on modest agriculture and pastoral life, relying on the seasonal rains that blessed the land with greenery and crops. However, over time, unchecked human exploitation of the region's limited water, resources, and vegetation began to disturb its delicate balance. Overgrazing, deforestation, and poor land management stripped the soil of its nutrients. Combined with the intensifying effects of global climate change, the Sahel began to wither, quite literally turning to dust before the eyes of those who lived there. Today, the Sahel is known as one of the most rapidly desertifying regions in the world. The once fertile ground is now cracked and barren. The wind carries fine, suffocating sand that buries villages and fields alike. The rains, when they do come, are unpredictable and violent, washing away the topsoil rather than reviving it. Droughts are now routine, and the specter of famine looms constantly, forcing millions to migrate in search of water, food, and hope. Scientists warn that the Sahel represents a tipping point for our planet, a preview of what may happen to other ecosystems if humanity continues to exploit nature without restraint. The United Nations describes it as a human and ecological crisis unfolding in real time. It's not just nature that has suffered. Social tensions have grown too. Competition over scarce resources has fueled conflict and displacement, making the region even more dangerous for those who remain. Despite these challenges, efforts are underway to save this dying land. The ambitious Great Green Wall project, for instance, aims to plant a vast stretch of trees across the Sahel to stop the Sahara's advance and restore life to the soil. Yet, the success of such efforts remains uncertain against the relentless force of climate change. The Sahel, once a thriving crossroads of civilizations, now stands as a haunting symbol of nature's fragility. It reminds us that when humanity takes too much and gives too little, even the most resilient lands can crumble into dust. Beneath its burning sun and shifting sands, the Sahel whispers a warning to the entire planet. If we fail to protect the Earth may stop protecting us.